Ever had your stomach growl at the worst possible moment? Like in a super quiet room? That noise? It's called borborygmi. Yeah, a fancy word for stomach grumbles. And it happens when your gut muscles are hard at work. Your digestive system is always pushing food, gas, and liquids through. But when your stomach's empty, that movement gets loud because there's nothing to muffle the sound. And guess what? Hunger hormones actually trigger these movements to remind you it's time to eat. So next time your stomach speaks up, don't be embarrassed, it's just asking for a snack.